Unveiling the Secret of Brow Serums. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of beauty and self-care to understand the phrase, brow serum. If you've ever been curious about what this phrase means, especially in the context of beauty and cosmetics, then you're in the right place. Let's break it down together and discover why it's become a staple in many people's beauty routines. When we look at the phrase, brow serum, we're actually looking at two words that come together to form a specific meaning. Brow refers to the eyebrows, which are the strips of hair that sit above our eyes. They play a crucial role in our facial expressions and overall appearance. The word serum, on the other hand, is a term often used in skincare and beauty. A serum is a lightweight liquid that is designed to deliver high concentrations of particular ingredients to the skin. It's often used for its nourishing and restorative properties. So when we combine the two words, we get brow serum, which is a product specifically designed to nourish, enhance, and promote the health of the eyebrow hairs. Brow serums are gaining popularity in the beauty industry. The primary purpose of a brow serum is to support eyebrow growth, making the eyebrows appear fuller, thicker, and more defined. This is especially sought after by those who have experienced thinning or want to enhance their natural brows without resorting to makeup or permanent solutions like microblading. Brow serums often contain vitamins, peptides, and other growth-promoting ingredients that can help in strengthening hair follicles and promoting hair health. They are usually applied once or twice daily as part of a regular beauty routine. Using brow serum is quite simple. Here's a quick rundown. 1. Cleanse your face to ensure your eyebrows are free from oils and makeup. 2. Take a small amount of the brow serum with the applicator, usually a brush or a wand, similar to a mascara wand. 3. Apply the serum with gentle strokes on the eyebrows, focusing on the areas where you desire more growth. 4. Allow the serum to dry before applying any makeup, if you choose to do so. It's important to use the serum consistently over several weeks to see results, as eyebrow hair growth can be a slow process. And there you have it, a simple yet detailed look into the world of brow serums. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or someone interested in the nuances of the English language associated with everyday products, we hope this video has been informative. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about understanding cultural trends and terms that pop up in our daily lives. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.